The very first word of the 16th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita is Abhayam. And it is one of the 16 qualities which it describes as divine qualities. The first word is Abhayam. And then, as we were discussing, that things on the way, they lead us astray, how to save ourselves from that. The Bhagavad Gita says, Arjuna asked Lord Krishna, what is it? Why am I not able to control my mind? And he says, Kamesha Krodesha Rajogun Samudbhava. Vidye Niham Vairinam, know them to be your enemies. What? Desire. I want. Krodh, anger. Krodh comes out of desires. I want something badly, I get angry. Rajogun, too much of selfish activity. Running around here, there, achieving this, achieving that, doing this, doing that. Like what Albert was saying, there is a birth date and then there is a hyphen and then there is a date when you will vanish. So ultimately all this running around that you do is expressed as a hyphen. Do you know the name of your great-great-grandfather? Maybe some of you may know 2 generations, 3 generations. Fifth generation. Great-great-great-grandfather, do you know his name? You don't know his name. Far less you know his personality. He must have been a person like you. Maybe he liked music. Maybe he liked food. Maybe he liked to go out into the garden. He must have been a personality like you. And he must have been there. That's why you are there. If he had not been there, you wouldn't be there. So he did exist. But for you, it is as if he never existed. You don't even know his name, nothing. Few years down the line, it will be as if you never existed. Nobody will bother about your designation. Nobody will bother about the PLF you achieved. Nobody will bother about the profits you generated. Nobody will bother about the size of your car, of your house. Nobody will bother about whether your son went to IIT or to any other college. It will not matter whether you went to IIT or you went to Harvard or you went anywhere. It will all be immaterial. So what? Do nothing now? No. The Bhagavad Gita says, follow your kartavya dharma. You have been allotted certain duties. Allotted certain duties by destiny. You did not do it. Don't think you are too brilliant to be in NTPC. It just so happened. It just so happened that you got the opportunity to be educated in a particular school, went to a particular college, saw that advertisement at the right time, made an application. It so happened that out of so many people who were equally good as you are, but you got selected and you are here. Everything happens by destiny. Even like I told you, even the guy who was not to be promoted got promoted. And there are innumerable cases of people who had to be promoted but could not get promoted. Sometimes they will say last moment name was struck out. Sometimes there will be one reason or the other.